alcohol. So let's start it. So the topic name is alcohol. Okay, so what are alcohols? Let's look at the definition. Alcohols are homologous series of organic compounds which have OH group as a functional group. So their functional group is OH. This is the recognition of alcohol. Whenever we will see the OH group in any of the organic compound, so we will categorize it as alcohol. Okay. So a journal alcohol will have ROH. This is the journal formula. Okay. So how can we make any alcohol formula? So look at journal formula. Journal formula of the alcohol is CN H2N plus 1 and OH, where N is the number of carbon atom. Understood? Okay, so whenever I will have to make any alcohol, I will just replace this N with that number and I will make the formula. How does it work? Let's look an example. But before example, we will see that how can we name alcohol. Naming an alcohol. We just have to add OL at the end of the name. For example, if I have methane, so I will drop the E and I will add OL. So the name would be methanol. So drop E and OL at the end of the name. Now let's understand it with the help of some examples. So let's name few alcohols and write there molecular formula. Okay, how does it work? Let's see. For example, if I want to prepare an alcohol with carbon number 1, so the name would be methane, but I will drop this E and I will add ol. Now just keep this general formula in your mind, that is CN H2N plus 1 OH. So carbon number is 1. So carbon 1, H, 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3 and OH. Now if carbon number is 2, so that would be ethane, right? But we will eliminate this E and instead we will add ol, ethanol. Now carbon number are 2, hydrogen is 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1, 5 and OH. If carbon number is 3, this is propane. We are going to drop this E again and we'll add ol instead. The formula would be C3H 2 into 3 plus 1, that is 7 OH. Similarly, if carbon number is 4, that is butane, but as usual we will drop this E and we will add ol at the end. Carbon number is 4 and H is 2 into 4, 8 plus 1 is 9 OH. So I hope you would have understood.